Oh, yeah. Perk off in the house. Hey, there's my dog. What's up, buddy? What's going on? Yeah. Well, I just got home from work. Anyways, oh, yeah. TGI Friday. What's this? Perk off. Here's some candy for the kids. Use the bowl. It is in. Not my good one like you did last year. Anyway, me and Big Daddy went to Las Vegas with the swingers. Take it nice and easy. You're proud parents. Oh, God. They went to Las Vegas with the swingers. Jack and Sarah Swinger. My parents' friends. Hey, it's my dog again. But you know what? My brother. He's gonna be here any minute. So, let me set this up. Alright, here.
What the fuck? No! 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 Don't do it, Freddy! No! No! I need it! I need to go to the bathroom with that! No, Freddy! No! No! No, Freddy!